Hello friends, welcome to Simply Clouded. Today, let us talk about CDNs. Consider this. By the end of last year, a staggering 70% of all internet traffic was served through content delivery networks, commonly known as CDNs. Quite a number, isn't it? Now, you might be wondering, what is this CDN and why should I care? Well, if you're anyone who uses the internet, which is virtually everyone, CDN is something that impacts your online experience every day. Scene script. Think about the last time you streamed a video, downloaded a software, or even browsed through your favorite social media site. All of these activities were likely made faster and smoother thanks to a CDN. So, what is a CDN? In simple terms, a content delivery network is a system of distributed servers that deliver web content to a user based on their geographical location, the origin of the web page, and the content delivery server. This service is effective in speeding up the delivery of content of websites with high traffic and websites that have global reach. Imagine you're in New York and you're trying to access a website hosted in Tokyo. Without a CDN, your request would travel halfway around the world, retrieve data from the Tokyo server, and then return all the way back to New York. That's a lot of travel time, isn't it? But with a CDN, your request might be fulfilled by a server in, say, New Jersey, significantly reducing your waiting time. That's the magic of CDN. Now, how does a CDN work? It's a three-step process. First, when a user makes a request, the CDN redirects it to the nearest server, also known as an edge server. Second, the edge server checks if it has the requested content. If it does, it delivers it to the user. If it doesn't, it communicates with other servers to find the content. Third, once the content is found, it's delivered to the user, and a copy is stored on the edge server for future requests. Now, why should you care about CDNs? Well, if you're a business owner with an online presence, CDNs can help you deliver your content faster to your users, regardless of where they are in the world. Faster load times mean happier customers, and happier customers mean better business. Moreover, CDNs also provide security benefits. They can protect your website from large surges in traffic, commonly used in denial of service attacks, and they can also offer SSL certificates to secure your users' data. So, what's the takeaway here? Whether you're a casual internet user or a business owner, CDNs play a crucial role in your online experience. They not only make it faster, but also safer. So, go ahead, delve deeper into the world of CDNs. Understand how they work. And if you're a business owner, consider how you can leverage them to improve your own business. After all, in the fast-paced world of the internet, every second counts. Tune in to my YouTube channel, Simply Clouded, for more such informational videos.